Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide applications on the home screen of your iPhone with iOS 18. Yes, you heard it right. iOS 18 has finally introduced the ability to hide apps on the home screen of your iPhone, something we've all been waiting for. This new feature is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep certain apps private and away from prying eyes. Whether you're trying to hide social media apps, banking apps, or any other type of app, iOS 18 has made it incredibly easy to do so. When you hide an application in iOS 18, the icon becomes invisible throughout the entire system. Let me show you how easy it is to hide apps on your iPhone with the latest iOS 18. First, find the third-party application you want to hide. Currently, this feature doesn't work with Apple apps, but you can hide any other app that you've downloaded from the App Store. Let's say you want to hide a social media application like Instagram or Facebook. Here's what you need to do. Start by finding the app on your home screen. For example, let's say you want to hide Instagram. Locate the Instagram icon on your home screen or in your app library. Once you've found the app, long press on the app icon until a menu appears. This is the same way you would usually move or delete an app. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option called Require Face ID. Tap on this option. Now, you will get three options. The first option is to request Face ID. This option locks the application behind Face ID, meaning you can't launch the application unless you authenticate with Face ID. The second option is Hide and Request with Face ID. This is the option to hide the application entirely from the home screen and throughout the entire system, as I mentioned earlier. The last option is Cancel. This option cancels the action and leaves the app as it is. To hide the application, you'll want to select the second option, Hide and Request with Face ID. When you select this option, Face ID will pop up to authenticate. Once authenticated, you will get a pop-up explaining exactly what will happen when you hide the app. It will tell you that the app will be hidden from the entire system, you won't receive any notifications from it, and it won't appear in search results, Spotlight, Siri, or your app library. Once you click Hide, the application will be hidden from the home screen of your iPhone. And again, as mentioned, you can't bring it up with Siri, you can't find it in Spotlight, you won't see it in your app library, and it won't show up in your settings. It's completely hidden from view, offering you the privacy and control you've been looking for. Now, you might be wondering where these hidden apps go and how you can access them if you need to use them again. Hidden apps are moved to a secret folder at the very bottom of your app library. Tap into this hidden folder. You'll see all the applications that you've hidden listed here. Now, let's say you've hidden an app, but you decide later that you want to bring it back to your home screen. Long press on the app icon of the app you want to bring back. Select Do Not Require Face ID. The app will now be brought back to your home screen and will function just like any other app. It will be visible in Spotlight, Siri, your app library, and everywhere else it was before you hid it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to hide and unhide applications on your iPhone with iOS 18. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.